Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to create a basic network diagram using drawio.com. So once you go to drawio.com, you are going to click on start diagramming. Once you click on start diagramming, it will show you this, and you can click on file and new. You can create a blank diagram. You will just click on create and it will show you this. So now first click on view and then click on the grid. So we don't have now grid. So first I will take internet. So search here internet. You can take any internet you want. I will take this. You can just drag here like this. Now type firewall and drag a firewall here. So here you can see text. So drag it like this and give this internet. Copy and paste this one firewall. Now you need a line. So in general, look for straight line. Just drag it like this. Okay. Now search here wireless router. Press enter and drag a wireless router. And name this wireless router. Now you need a switch. Type here switch. You can take this or just type switch and you can just take this. this one will be switch. No need to worry, I am going to explain. Okay, so now we need 2 PC, so I am going to just drag 2 PCs. We can name this PC1, this one PC2, and now we need line. Okay, so now I'm going to explain. Before, I'll just here data flow to 1. And I'll just the text here, network diagram. So why I am showing firewall? Because firewall protects the PC, okay, from unauthorized access. So always make sure to enable or turn on firewall. Once you turn on firewall, it protects you from malicious threats and from unauthorized access. And the wireless router and switch, this is the network traffic. So network traffic is passing through router and switch, and then from switch to PC we have data flow to 1, which is PC1, and then data flow to 2, PC2. So data is passing both from switch and PC, okay, and we are using a wireless router. which is Wi-Fi router. Okay, and to connect wireless router with PC we need switch. So in this way you can draw network diagram in raw.io, and if you want you can click on file and export as PNG. Save.